Okay, so let's try to calculate the first theoretical value one more time, because last time I also had made mistake and I correct this mistake now. We begin from the first value of a. This is empty. This is just a value fixed multiplied by next a value, second value. Don't forget to fix this plus here, multiplied by x1, the first x1, plus this value fix multiplied by x2 plus next a fix multiplied by x3 plus next a fix multiplied by x4, then next a fix multiplied by the last x value. Okay, so we have already obtained the first theoretical value. And then we just multiply this formula. These values are fixed and x values are shifted 1 point downwards. So we can just copy this just multiply this formula. Okay, and now we have to calculate the differences between y value and the theoretical y value, and to calculate the square of these differences. And by the same way, calculate the square of differences between y values and average value. Fix the average value up to square. And multiply formula. Okay, so now we have everything to determine the r squared. So to calculate the r squared values, we have just to know the summary value of these values and summary value of these values. And this is minus here. So we have already inputted in our Excel cell this formula: 1 minus numerator and denominator. So We have already calculated the determination coefficient, the multiple determination coefficient. Now we have to define the multiple correlation coefficient. This is square root of the multiple determination coefficient. It's not a problem. Can write here. So we have already calculated the multiple correlation coefficient. This is the first part of our laboratory work.